Understanding memory is slipping, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, memory is slipping. This is a common expression that you might come across in everyday conversations, movies, or books. Understanding phrases like this can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and uncover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. When someone says their memory is slipping, they're expressing that they're finding it harder to remember things than they used to. It's not about a momentary forgetfulness, like misplacing keys, but a more general feeling that their ability to recall information, events, or details is not as sharp as before. This phrase can be used in both a light-hearted manner, often to brush off a minor forgetfulness, or in a more serious context, possibly relating to aging or health concerns. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. In casual conversation, I forgot our anniversary again. It seems like my memory is slipping. In literature or movies, a character might say, "These days, I walk into a room and forget why I'm there. My memory is slipping." In serious discussions, when discussing concerns about aging or cognitive health, someone might say, "I've noticed my memory is slipping. Maybe I should talk to a doctor." These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts, from casual to serious. Understanding phrases like memory is slipping is crucial for English language learners for several reasons. Cultural context. It helps you understand native speakers better, as such expressions are deeply rooted in cultural contexts and everyday language. Expressive language. Knowing these phrases allows you to express complex ideas and emotions more naturally in English. Listening comprehension. It enhances your ability to understand English in various settings, including movies, TV shows, and conversations with native speakers. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, memory is slipping. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovering new phrases and expressions that add color to your conversations. Don't worry if your memory slips occasionally while learning, it's all part of the process. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.